So do you wonder how all those top brands and all those gurus just follow you forever? And eventually you just crack and you just sort of join the webinar, get their free ebook, purchase their product because you just can't resist after seeing the ad 20 to 30 times consistently. That's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Brand building Facebook retargeting. Before we get into today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's jump right into today's episode. Brand building, Facebook retargeting. So here's a hardcore example that I use for my personal brand. Here are 3 of my ads, 3 different videos, all the same creatives. Now, what would happen on the level 1 is I'll advertise these 3 creatives using cold audience strategies. So there are a bunch of cold audience strategies on my YouTube channel, whether it's PPE, conversion. I just sort of send my ads out to cold traffic. And then the level 2 is I'll go ahead and create a retargeting funnel with the other ads. So if someone went ahead and watched ad number 1, they'll be then put into the level 2 where they'll be forced to watch ad 2 and 3. So what I'll do is on the level 2, when I create a retargeting ad for ad number 1, I'll go ahead and create a new campaign called the retargeting campaign for ad number 1, and it will be for people who watch 10 seconds of any videos from level 1. So if they watch 10 seconds of 1, 2, or 3, they'll be then shown ad number 1. As well as I'll include people who view content or became a lead, but they didn't purchase. I'll also retarget them with this ad. And then where the magic happens is I exclude people who watch 25% of ad number 1. So that means I only want people who have watched ad 2 or 3 to be then shown ad number 1. Because if they watch ad number 1 more than 25%, I don't want them to see the same ad again. I want them to go ahead and now see ad 2 and 3. And then also exclude purchases because I don't want people who've purchased to see my ads again because they no longer need to. So therefore, ad number 1 will only be shown to people who watch 10 seconds of ad 2 or 3, excluding people who've already watched ad number 1. And then you want to go ahead and repeat this process with ad 2 and 3. So you create this crazy sort of loop where customers just sort of see all your ads once and they see you in many different point of views. And then by excluding people who've already watched the same ad, this will save you a ton on ad spend. So as I said before, as a result, people will literally see ad 1, 2, and 3. And this is literally what all the top people do. Like I literally just gave you guys a secret. It's that simple. You think they have some crazy complicated funnel? They just have what I just showed you multiplied by 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 50 different creatives. Top companies do this with hundreds of ads. You want your cold audience traffic to be primed by 20 to 30 plus different versions of your ads and products, and that will be what makes them convert. As you can see, this is one of the brand founder. They literally have so many different creatives. And this is sort of what McDonald's does. You literally see their ads everywhere on bus stand, billboards, TV, YouTube, everywhere. And each ad is different, and because they want to sort of keep refreshing how you see them, because for example, books, for example, How to Win Friends and Influence People, that book has been printed hundreds of times and there's many different covers. People would literally buy that book again and again and again because they see a different cover, a different edition, and they just sort of purchase it and read it on the airplane. That's sort of how people are. They need to see something many different times because it sort of makes it seem new and it sort of imprints it more. If you're seeing the same thing again and again, you just become blind to that same ad and you get sort of bad blindness where you just scroll past it. But if something different, it stops you and eventually you're gonna crack and you're gonna convert. And yeah, that's sort of today's video. How to go ahead and build a brand through Facebook. Crazy constant retargeting. Like this is sort of what the top companies does. No one on YouTube talks about this sort of high level content, and I'm just giving it to you guys completely for free. If you guys want these slides completely for free, I want to give you guys as much value as possible. So I have them in the description completely for free, just because I know a lot of people like to have these on their computer because they're super handy. These slides I spend hours to make for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Question of the day: how deep is your retargeting funnel? Jot down your retargeting strategies, what you do. Let me know in the comments below. I've been reading and answering every single comment, so be sure to drop a comment below. As always, all I ask is for a simple like, subscribe. That's all I ask for. I don't upsell you guys anything on these free daily videos. So I just want to say thank you so much for putting your time and effort into watching these videos. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and week, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.